Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload video to Google Drive and share link. Now this is the way that I use and it's quite simple. So I just opened my Google Drive right here. I opened one folder and in this folder, say for example, I want to upload something. The way I do it, you just click the new button right here, file upload, and then you're going to locate the video. So say for example, this is the video that I'm working. I'm going to go ahead and click the open here and it's gonna upload that file for me. Now, additionally, you can go ahead and open that particular file or folder location. Say, for example, in my case, it's located here. I can go ahead and just simply drag this, and there you go. So it's the same file. I'm going to go ahead and keep both files and then upload. So yeah, it's gonna essentially upload that file still for me in the same folder where I chose. And yeah, from this point forward, let's go ahead and use this one as an example here. Let's say we want to share this link. We can go ahead and right click this one, share, and then share here. Or there's a shortcut, it's gonna be Control Alt A and it's gonna open this thing. So you want to make sure that instead of restricted, you're gonna go ahead and choose anyone with the link. That's very important. Now click the copy link, click done, and then you can go ahead and share this to whoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate you that this is the file here. You know what? Let's go ahead and open an incognito and then paste it here. And the moment you do that, it's gonna open that file for you. And again, that is the best way to upload video to Google Drive and share its link.